This is with the engine running. It's given a P0171 and 174, I think is what they are, but it's a lean bank coat. I changed this fuel pump because the old one was the check valve, it was bleeding off, and the fuel gauge started messing up. But it always put out good pressure. But this one, these codes come on about a month after putting this pump in, or maybe a little less. But I believe the pump is faulty.